Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another session of Moldex 3D's webinar series. My name is Srikar Valluri, and I'll be your host today. The topic for today's session is overview of IC packaging and encapsulation simulation technologies. So to begin with, when we talk about integrated circuits as such, uh, over time, what has happened is as demands of functionality within the product increased year over year, obviously sizes of appliances are going down, right? So your smartphones, your tablets, whatever they be, whatever appliances are being used, electronics sizes are going down. That means they are becoming more dense, functionality is increasing, but we are reaching the limits of Moore's law with decrease in sizes and increasing functionalities. It becomes more and more expensive, not to mention hard, to improve the performance while making sure you're making the best optimum use of your space, the board space. So through all of this, then trying to integrate technology, simulation technology into your design and manufacturing process becomes that much more important because you don't have that much space anymore to play around with. So when you talk about simulation technology as such and what can it really do nowadays, um, this is just an overview, an example of what are all the different applications within circuit encapsulation or packaging that simulation can actually offer, starting with something as straightforward as transfer molding to capillary underfill or a molded underfill process to compression molding, accounting for venting. If wire bonded systems are in place, then doing a wire sweep analysis, understanding the potential for wire shorting. And of course, even doing a process like potting or filler concentration analysis. All of these and more are possible with today's simulation technology. So what this webinar is going to do is give a brief overview of several of these applications and what simulation can do for each one of them.